Hi students, imagine this. You have got a mountain of notes, a long lecture to revise, and an essay due tomorrow. What if I told that AI tools could save hours of efforts, explain tough concepts instantly, and even make studying fun? And all for free. Today, I'll show you top 5 latest AI tools that every student must try. Let's start. First up, the tool that started it all is ChatGPT. Think of it as a personal tutor who's awake 24/7. Stuck on a math problem? Need your essay outlined? Or just want a tough concept explained in simple words? ChatGPT's free version does it all. Here's a tip. Instead of just asking for questions, try saying, explain this step by step like I am in 10th grade. You will be shocked at how much easier learning gets. Next, Google Gemini. Previously known as Bard, unlike ChatGPT, Gemini connects to the internet in real time. That means it can give you latest facts, stats, or research papers for your project. What makes it special is its guided learning mode, where instead of throwing an answer at you, it walks you step by step through the solution. Imagine having a teacher break things down for you, but instantly and for free. Here is my personal favorite for exam prep, Knot. Upload your lecture slides, PDFs, or even YouTube links. Knot will instantly summarize them into flashcards, quizzes, and notes. And the best part? Its AI tutor Kai lets you ask questions about your study material, like what's the main point of this chapter, or explain this diagram to me. Basically, it's a Quizlet on steroids, and that's for free. Fourth is Nota AI, a lifesaver if you struggle to keep up with lectures. Records classes or uploaded videos, transcribes everything, and then gives you an AI-generated summary and highlight. No more messy last-minute notes. Everything is neatly organized for you. Bonus tip, it works in 58 languages, so even international students can benefit big time. And finally, Quillbot Summarizer, perfect for those endless readings and long chapters. Just paste in your text and it instantly creates a short, sharp summary. You can even switch between bullet points or paragraph style. Depending on how you like to study, it's free, instant, and super handy before exams when time is short. So there you go. ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Knot, Nota AI, and Quillbot Summarizer. Together, they cover everything, explaining concepts to research and homework help, from flashcards and quizzes to lecture notes and transcripts, and finally, quick summaries. Imagine using all 5. You will study smarter, save time, and actually understand your subject better. Which of these AI tools will you try first? Comment below and I would love to know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Adharshila Coding Classes because I'll be bringing you more AI hacks for students that can literally change the way you study. Remember, it's not about studying harder, it's about studying smarter with AI. See you soon.